Tree?
Baby Tree's crying because she can't grow tall because you've made the environment so messy by throwing trash on the ground.
Environment? What's that, Mother Tree?
The environment is everything around us. Water, trees, and animals. When it's dirty, plants can't grow. Animals can't find safe places to live. And there won't be anywhere safe for you to play. You need to keep the environment clean by throwing trash in the bin.
Trash goes in the bin. Trash goes in the bin. If you love your environment, trash goes in the bin. Okay, Mother Tree, we will throw the trash in the bin from now on. Trash goes in the bin. Trash goes in the bin. If you love your environment, trash goes in the bin. Make your class clean. Make your school clean. If you love your environment, trash goes in the bin. Mother Tree, at home, we don't have a dustbin like the one in school. Where should I put the trash?
Oh, that's a very good question, Akili. If there's no dustbin, you can put the trash in a trash pit.
And sometimes we can't find a trash can on the way. Where do I put the trash?
Just keep your trash with you, and when you get home, throw it in the dustbin or trash pit.
Trash goes in the pit. Trash goes in the pit. If you love your environment, trash goes in the pit. Make your school clean. Make your house clean. If you love your environment, trash goes in the pit.
Wow, look at the environment. It looks so clean already. You did a great job, kids.
Thank you, Mother Tree.
Baby Tree is so happy now. She can continue growing tall and maybe even become the tallest tree ever.
Yay!
Just remember, kids, always put trash in the right place, like in a dustbin or a trash pit.
Yes, Mother Tree. And we'll tell all the kids to do the same.
That's awesome. Thank you for taking good care of us. Bye, kids. See you next time.
Akili and Me is here to help you little ones grow big hearts and smart minds with exciting lessons every episode. Tune in to all new Akili and Me. For showtimes, visit akiliandme.com.
Download the Playroom app to continue enjoying the fun adventures of Akili and Me. Available on iOS and Android.